Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 1 and the topic is ideological basis of Pakistan. I have planned today's lecture. As you can see that there is word synonyms of page number 1 and 2 given here, and here are all the possible short questions of page number 1 and page number 2 are given here. Okay. First of all, let's try to understand the definition of ideology. What is, to understand, this is very important to understand that what is the importance of ideology. As you know, the man has been sent to this world with some purposes, and the purposeless life get never success. So the existence of a nation is reflected through their ideas. So this is important to understand the importance of ideas. If a nation ignores its ideas, it endangers its existence, and some new ideas tries to merge this nation and changes its identity. So when we talk about the ideological basis of Pakistan, this is very important to understand what was the base of Pakistan establishment. So Pakistan is an ideological state, and as you know that this is based on a specific philosophy of life. So basis in the religion of Islam, and this religion has been in practice for centuries. So this is the basis that caused the movement of Pakistan. So I have given here the word synonyms, as you can see, and here we are going to start. These are all the possible short questions of page number 1. So first of all, the first one question is, when did Pakistan came into being? The first one question is, when did Pakistan came into being? That means question is based on the creation of Pakistan. Pakistan came into existence on 14th of August 1947. The answer is Pakistan came into existence on 14th of August 1947. The next one question is, what is the remarkable event of the 20th century? The remarkable event, the focusing point is remarkable event. So start to write. The remarkable event of the 20th century was the establishment of Pakistan in the subcontinent. Okay. The next one question is, in which century many countries got their freedom? किस सेंचुरी में? यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे उन तमाम कंट्रीज़ की जिन्होंने जिस सदी में फ्रीडम हासिल की. Okay, during the 20th century, many nations got freedom, and many free and independent states emerged on the map of the world. Clear? Okay. The next question is, on which basis many countries got their freedom? यहाँ पे एक और बहुत ही important short question है जिसमें पूछा गया है कि बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ ने किन बेसिस पे, किन बुनियादों पर आज़ादी हासिल की. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज़ गॉट फ्रीडम ऑन रेशियल, लिंग्विस्टिक और टेरिटोरियल बेसिस. जिससे मुराद है कि बहुत से ममालिक ने नस्ली यानी रिलेटेड टू रेस, लिंग्विस्टिक दिस इज़ रिलेटेड टू लैंग्वेज, और टेरिटोरियल बेसिस एरिया बेस्ड on the basis of their areas, specified areas, so they got their freedom. Next one question is, on which basis Pakistan get its freedom? पाकिस्तान ने किन बेसिस पे आज़ादी हासिल की? Answer is, Pakistan is the only country which came into being on the basis of strong ideology. The word is strong ideology. Okay, these were all the possible questions from the page number 1, and let's talk about the page number 2. As you can see, the definition is given. Ideology. The first one question is designed for you. The question is, which word is used for ideology? Which Urdu word? Please mention the word Urdu. In which word is used for ideology? The word Urdu, Nazariya, is known as ideology in English, and the definition is, the next one question is, define the ideology and define the what is meant by ideology, or what's the definition of ideology. The answer is, ideology means such a plan or program. Ideology से मुराद है एक ऐसा मंसूबा या कोई प्रोग्राम as is based upon philosophy, जो किसी भी फ़लसफ़े पर, and application to solve any political, social or cultural issues and problems, या फिर किसी भी किस्म का लाया अमल जो किसी भी सियासी, माशरती और सकाफ़ती या तमदनी इश्यूज़ और प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए बनाया जाएगा, उसे हम आइडियोलॉजी कहेंगे. सो द नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज, डिफाइन आइडियोलॉजी according to the word encyclopedia. According to the given word encyclopedia's definition, we will talk about the ideology. The answer is, ideology is a set of political and cultural principles on which a nation or civilization is based. Clear? The next one question is, define ideology in the words of Dr. George Ross, the great philosopher, Dr. George Ross. Dr. George Ross said that any plan or program of common life, based upon thinking and philosophy is called ideology. इसे अगर हम उर्दू में डिफ़ाइन करें तो आम जिंदगी का कोई भी ज़ाब्ता या प्रोग्राम जिसकी बुनियाद फ़लसफ़ा और तफ़क्कुर पर सवार हो, उसे हम आइडियोलॉजी कहेंगे. So, today's, according to your given diary, page number 1 and 2, these were all the possible short questions, and you will have to write down all the possible, these 9 short questions in your notebooks. Okay, thank you so much.